The M325s mouse by Logitech. It's just a plain mouse. Is it going to do the trick? Stick around and we'll find out. I needed a mouse for just a plain old laptop computer, and I ordered just a purely basic M325s from Logitech. And take it out of the package, show you the features. I've had very good luck with Logitech mice before. The only one that didn't work for me, one time I bought buy one get one free, was a fancy one, and one worked and the other one never did work, so I guess I didn't really lose anything. But this is just your basic back and forth. It's got the little hub that's stored inside here. You'll take this out, put this in your computer, the computer will read it. Comes with a battery, remove that to activate the battery. We'll slide this back on. Has off and on switch. I cut mine off when I finished using it, save the battery. They last a long time. It's just your basic forward, back and forth mouse. A little optical sensor, I guess. This is a very old laptop. It's actually my mom's, and I'm just wanting to see if I can get wireless mouse to work with it. Not even sure it's going to read it or register it, but let's give it a try. Just going to plug this into one of the USB ports. And normally what happens is it finds it. Make sure it's cut on. And looks like it's working. Looks like it's working. This computer is very old and very slow. The mouse isn't. But yay, my mouse is compatible with the old computer, so no technical connection problems with it. Happy about that. Nice, reliable M325s Logitech wireless mouse. They never let me down. Thanks for watching my video about the M325s mouse from Logitech. Remember, it's free to give the video a thumbs up. It's free to leave a comment. It's free to share this video if appropriate. If you're checking the text below this video and in the pinned comments, I'll provide a link on how you can purchase this mouse, or once in a while, helps me out a little bit if you do. And until we meet again, let's just help each other find ways to handle the increasingly demanding complexities of technology. Bye.